supposed to be a really fun thing. I have my husband's zombie mug, and it's supposed to like be black, and when you put the hot liquid in, it, you know, gets hot, and then the zombies on the mug, but it's been down here too long, and now it's just black again, even though my tea is pretty warm still. So I guess today we just got a black mug. Oh well. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I got my Topbox in the mail, so that means it is time for some tea and Topbox. For those that don't know, Topbox is a Canadian monthly beauty subscription. It retails for $12 plus whatever applicable taxes are in your province or territory. It is free shipping within Canada. At this time, Topbox is only available for a monthly subscription to Canadians. However, they sometimes have other specialty boxes that they come out with. I know Rach Loves here on YouTube has come out with a few of them in particular, and some other ones that they kind of curate. Those are usually open to the US as well. I'm not sure if they're open international as well, but I know at least for the US some of them are available. So it's worth checking out if you enjoy what you see here today. Now, Topbox is similar to Ipsy in that you get like a bag, or it can come in a cylinder tube depending on which version you opt for. I opted for the eco-friendly version this month, which is an organza bag. And you usually get, I think it's 5 samples in it, so very similar to... So this month it came in like a bright yellow, almost lime green sort of bag, very summer-esque looking. And if we open it up, we usually have some papers in here. I'm going to pull them out first. Sometimes there are a ton of papers, and other times there's only this, which again, that's what this is. It just says Topbox on this side, and then on the other side it is advertising one of their specialty boxes that I was talking about. It is called the Kit Beauty Desk. It's $26 Canadian, and it comes with a variety of different items. That is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that there. If you're interested in it, you can go to topbox.ca/the Kit Beauty Desk and check out what items you would get for $26. Now I have to admit, when I first got my little bubble ope today, I was a little disappointed, concerned. I thought already in my head that this was going to be kind of a crummy month, just because usually it has a little bit more weight to it. Usually you can feel some more product in there than what I did. It felt very thin and very light, and I'm anticipating this box having some foil packets and some sheet masks and that sort of thing in it, which is kind of disappointing because I don't know. I like to get different things, not just that. I don't know. I mean, it's a sample bag, whatever. I'm going to get into it because I have no idea what's actually in it. So this is the bag after I've taken the stuff out, and I'm gonna pull out the foily things that I'm feeling first. That way, you know, if they're disappointing, get that over with ahead of time. So the first item is, actually I shouldn't have been disappointed because I'm actually excited to try this. It is by AvryBeauty, and it is the Shea Butter Socks. And this is what it looks like. Let's see, what's it say it is? And it says deeply moisturizes rough, dry. And it's funny because this is actually something I've had in my cart on Amazon. Not this brand particularly, but just a nourishing foot sock sort of thing I've had in my cart because I've wanted to try them out. So I'm actually excited to get this. It's a foil thing, but it's an actual like mask for your foot. So I'm excited to try this. I am happy that I got this in the box. So let's see. There's another foil thing in here. Maybe I'll be happy with this. Let's see. No. I don't even know why people make these. It is the Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro, I can't speak. This is the Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro blender. This is one of those silicone blenders. They're supposed to be like a makeup sponge and supposed to be a flawless application on your face. In my experience, they don't work that great. No, you don't waste a lot of liquid or cream, but it does not blend at all. It just smears it on your face. I have a couple of these from another company, and I enjoy them for skincare, like if I'm putting on even a primer when it comes to makeup, or if I'm putting on some sort of moisturizer or serum. It's nice that way because I don't feel like I'm wasting a lot of product, but I already have a couple of these. I definitely don't need any more, so I will be giving this away to someone. I'm not even going to open it up. It is, again, by the brand Pure Cosmetics, not, and this is the one with an E on the end, not the PUR brand, in case you're confused there. So, I mean, I guess if you've never tried this before, if I hadn't had the other ones that I have, I'd probably be excited to try it. I don't know how excited I would have been after I did try it, but yeah. I honestly don't understand the marketing in these. I don't know how people get them to work. If you use these for your foundation, let me know in the comments below because I would love to know how to make these work because I already have 2 other ones from a different company, and yeah, like I said, they're good for skincare, they're good for primer, but foundation for me, not so much. The next item is, let's see, Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. And it's this one. Now, I'm a little excited for this, not super excited. I will give it a try and then we'll see how, you know, my level of excitement goes for it. In the past, it seems like Smashbox kind of likes to blitz their primers in subscription boxes. This particular one is the pore minimizing one, which I will try using. I don't mind that. This is like the purpley colored one, whereas the one that I've gotten in multiple boxes is the clear one, and it's just, I don't like the texture of it. I don't like how it wears on my skin, but I am excited to try this one and see how it works. But I am interested to try this one and see how it works and how it feels on the skin. I am just gonna put a little bit on my hands here. I can already tell it's different. It's a different consistency just from the look of it, and it does have a color to it. It has a little bit of a skin tone color, whereas the other one that we normally get is clear. So, ooh. That one actually doesn't feel as slippery and silicone-y. I mean, it feels silicone-y, like you can feel the slip, but it's more powdery than what the original Smashbox version is. I am interested to try this just because, yeah, it feels different than the one that we normally get in subscription boxes, and I can already tell that it's blurring lines on my hand, so it is being effective in that way. So, interested, maybe excited, I don't know, we'll have to see. And the last item in our bag today is, what is this? Says TAME Frame. Let's see. Oh, brow gel. Okay, let's open this up. Because I can't read the words on it because it's got packaging. And this is by Beautaniq and Beauty. TAME Frame Brow Gel. Nourishing Tinted Brow Gel. Does it have a color? Huh. Can't tell. Oh, it says clear. This is what it looks like. It's got a cute green packaging with some pink, what is that, flowers, lily pads, something like that on the lid. And then you open it up. Oh, and it's got the spoolie here. I am happy that this particular item is clear. My brows are sparse and fairly thin even when I do fill them in, and I find when I get a gel that has a tint to it, I just make a mess all over my brows, and it makes it that much harder to clean up and make them look nice when I'm done. I would have to say I am pretty interested in this month's box. I mean, there's 2 items that I am for sure excited to use. This foot mask thingy, foot sock, and the brow gel. Not disappointed in that at all. I'm interested in trying this. I will keep saying interested instead of excited because there could be excitement if it works well, but from my past experience with this, Smashbox primers, I haven't had a lot of luck. But just trying this on my hand right now, I can tell that it is a different texture, it's a different kind of consistency and feeling to it, so it might work well for me. This might be something from their line that I can actually use as far as primers go. And then this item here, maybe someone will be happy to get it. I don't know. It's not something I'm going to even open. I will just give it away to a friend or something. I'm not sure. We shall see where this ends up, but it's not something I'm going to use. This is something I could have done without. However, I could see if someone hasn't tried one of these before. I know before I got the ones that I have, I was curious to try them. You know, maybe I can make them work. Maybe I was that one person out there. I couldn't. But I mean, I kind of had that in the back of my mind. Maybe I could make it work. Maybe there's some technique that I could figure out. I couldn't, but I do enjoy the ones I have, like I said, for putting on primer or skincare. They work for that. But maybe someone who hasn't tried these would be excited to not spend extra money to have it to give it a try. we shall see. I don't know. And that's all for my August tea and top box. I hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe while you're at it if you haven't already. Thank you again for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.